Hello everyone, good morning. In this video, we will see how can we create a custom product details page for our WooCommerce products. Okay, so let's go to the products area, click on all products. Here you can see we have a product. If you view, it's a test product. If we view the product, you can see this is the default WordPress product details page. Okay, so we'll try to customize this as per our need. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, go to the plugins area, click on add new. For this customization, we'll use a plugin called Shop Engine. It's by WPMate. It's a very well known and good plugin. Click on install now. It will take little bit time. Click on activate. Plugin is installed. Now we are activating the plugin. So our plugin is installed. Now let's go to the settings area of this plugin. Here you can see the configuration page. It's a basic process. From here you can choose the module or available features. There is a pro version of this plugin, but we will use the free one. As you know, in Elementor free version there is no custom product details page options, so we are using this plugin. Now nothing to do here, just click reload. Your CSS might be broken. Let's click on reload and let's get it's creating problem again. Okay, we are currently skip all the steps. Step, next step, and save changes. Okay, now in the shop engine menu, here is a new menu called shop engine added here. Go to the modules area. Here you can see you can enable or disable different types of modules, available modules here. Okay, so let's get started. We will build our product details template here, and currently there is no template. We'll create a new one. We'll call it, let's say, product details. Click on let's say it's a single. Okay, there are various types of you can customize cart page, checkout page, quick view page, archive page, and shop page. We'll choose the single page. Okay, so set default. Yes, we are setting default, and you can start by blank element, a blank Elementor page to customize the product details, or you can choose a already pre-added template product details sample page. Okay, so we will go with blank template and click on save changes. Now Now you can see the product details page here. Now if we reload our page, this page will load, so there is nothing. Okay, so because we choose a blank template. Now we will customize the template. We'll click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so as this is a product details page, so now we will choose a, let's say, 2 column area, and let's it will be okay, it's boxed. Let's say we'll give margin 50, top and bottom, padding 25 from all the sides. Now here, when you search for shop engine, sorry, you can see different portion. First of all, there is shop engine general and shop engine single product. So we can use these attributes to create our single product details page. Okay, so first of all, we have to add the image here, product image. After that, you can do all the customization here. Let's give it a padding of 30 pixel, no, 50. Okay, then you want to let's say we will bring the product title here in this area. So drag the product title here. Let's say we will use h5 here. Then let's say we will add a spacer. After that, we will bring the let's say part. Let's say we will bring the product description here, and let's give it a padding of 30 pixel. You can do as per your customization, just you get the idea how can we create the single product page. All the Elementor's features is available here. You can buy, you can do this as you want. Let's bring the product price here, and let's say you want to show the product categories. Let's say you want to show the product categories here. If you save or update the template, it's updated. Now if you click on reload the page, you can see what have we designed is now appeared here. Okay, so there are some other things you can do in the modules area, which things you want to enable, which things you want to disable. You can do this here. Okay, you can see all the things and also the pro features here. If you think you need the pro features, please buy the pro version of the plugin. Okay, so by this I hope you are able to create single product page by shop engine plugin, which don't need Elementor Pro version. That's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.